Hey guys, my name's Rahel with Profashion, and I'm here to show you guys how to achieve a straight hair look using the Icon Touch Styler. Straight hair will always be trendy. Anytime you can't decide what to do with your hair, just straighten it. So I want to start by telling you guys the 3 don'ts when using a flat iron. Don't flat iron your hair when it's wet or damp. You want to make sure that it's completely dry to resist damage. I like to use the Profashion Light and Power Blow Dryer. Gets my hair nice and dry really fast. After I shower, I like to dry my hair with a t-shirt rather than a towel because it causes less friction, which means less frizz. The second thing you don't want to do before styling your hair with a heated product is use oil-based products. It can cause additional damage to your hair. So the third thing is you don't want to slide too fast or too many times. So to get started, of course, you'll need your Icon Styler. You'll also need a clip and a fine-tooth comb. So I'll set up the flat iron to 450 degrees because my hair is very thick. But using this P button right here, you can actually adjust the temperature to your hair type. The best way to go is to start by dividing your hair into sections, starting with the bottom layers. I usually start right above my ears and make my way all the way across my head, and then clip the rest of my hair up to keep it away. So the second step is to make sure that your hair is completely tangle free. Reason is, if you iron a shirt and the shirt isn't completely stretched out, you can go over it about 1,000 times and it still won't be straight. Same thing goes for your hair. If you don't comb it out and stretch it before you flat iron, then you won't get the results that you're looking for. Now my hair is tangle free and ready to be styled. After I comb through my hair, I grab it in a scissor style like this, to make sure that it's completely stretched when using my styler. You want to make sure again that you're going nice and slow, starting from your root and working your way to your ends. So I'm just going section by section, making sure that every piece is tangle free, stretched out, and ready to style. Also, when styling your hair, you want to make sure that you're not holding it at the end like this, but rather closer like this so you can get a better grip and have better control. I know that sometimes you're in a rush, but going too fast too many times on the same section will result in damaging your hair. If you go slow, you'll be able to take larger sections and you'll only have to go once. That way you'll be able to activate the ionic technology. By activating the ionic technology, you'll be frizz-free, locking in your natural moisture. Now remember, starting from the roots, you want to squeeze and slide slow. Now once I finish styling my hair, I use the Profashion Argan Serum, which is anti-frizz, anti-static, and really good for split ends. So I want to thank you guys for watching this Profashion straightening tutorial. For more information and tutorials, please visit profashionhair.com.